The year was 1931, and the world was in the grip of the Great Depression. Amidst the economic chaos, a young entrepreneur named Don Baxter saw an opportunity. He had a revolutionary product, first commercially prepared intravenous solution, and he was determined to bring it to market. With a driving ambition and a belief in the power of innovation, Baxter set up his tiny company in a garage on Chicago's West Side and began producing his life-saving product. His 14-hour workdays and unwavering dedication propelled the company forward despite the gloomy economic backdrop. Edward Robbins, a Harvard-educated medical doctor, recognized the potential of Baxter's invention and joined the company as the resident physician and chief medical officer. Robbins tirelessly worked to gain acceptance for Baxter's product within the medical community, furthering the company's growth and reputation. By the mid-1940s, Baxter Healthcare Corporation had outgrown its humble beginnings. The company had invented the first commercially available plastic 4 container, and the demand for its products was growing steadily. Baxter's commitment to innovation remained strong. The company became the first to manufacture a flexible, disposable container for blood collection. This innovation revolutionized the blood banking industry, allowing for easier collection and safer transport of blood products. A pivotal moment in Baxter's history came in 1953 when the company went public, fueling its growth even further. The additional capital allowed for the expansion of research and development efforts, leading to numerous groundbreaking medical advancements and the creation of an array of new therapies. Rapid growth and an expanding product line required more space. The company relocated to a large, modern facility in Deerfield, Illinois, to accommodate the burgeoning business. The move was also symbolic of the company's evolution from a small startup to a significant player in the global healthcare market. The 1960s and 70s saw the launch of several pioneering products, including Baxter's peritoneal dialysis systems and its Tacil fibrin sealant for tissue bonding. These products provided life-saving therapies for patients around the world and solidified Baxter's reputation as a leader in the healthcare industry. The 1980s brought a new era of globalization for Baxter. It began expanding its operations internationally and formed numerous strategic partnerships with leading pharmaceutical companies, cementing its position as a global healthcare provider. Amidst this growth stood the tragic event of the HIV AIDS crisis. Baxter took a hard hit as its blood plasma products came under scrutiny. Despite this challenging period, the company emerged stronger, implementing groundbreaking manufacturing processes that made its blood products among the safest in the world. The 1990s saw the rise of biotechnology, and Baxter was at the forefront of this wave. The acquisition of Immuno International AG gave the company a range of diagnostic systems, and it continued to invest heavily in research and development in this promising field. As the world stepped into the new millennium, Baxter ventured into new areas of healthcare, including regenerative medicine and gene therapy. The company's commitment to cutting-edge treatments and therapies continued to save and improve countless lives. In the 21st century, Baxter International Incorporated evolved with the changing medical landscape. Faced with the challenge of an aging population and the increasing prevalence of chronic illnesses, the company focused on developing innovative therapies and delivery systems that could meet these complex healthcare needs. Today, Baxter is a global powerhouse, present in over 100 countries and with more than 50,000 employees worldwide. The company's unwavering commitment to its mission, to save and sustain lives, continues to fuel its relentless pursuit towards future medical innovation. As one of the 500 largest companies in the United States, Baxter International has come a long way from its humble beginnings. Its journey, characterized by continual innovation, a deep commitment to quality and safety, and a dedication to improving global health, serves as an inspiration to all. So, what's next for Baxter International? With its finger on the pulse of ongoing medical advancements, the company is primed to continue changing the face of healthcare. As it moves forward, it will no doubt face new challenges, but its enduring spirit of innovation and commitment to improving lives will undoubtedly carry it through. As the chapter on Baxter's remarkable journey continues to unfold, it's evident that the company's core values, accountability, respect, excellence, and integrity, remain unchanged. These fundamental principles underpin every aspect of Baxter's operations and form the cornerstone of its ongoing quest to save and sustain lives. The story of Baxter International Incorporated is proof that with equal parts passion, resilience, and ingenuity, an idea born out of adversity can ultimately transform a company, an industry, and even the world. Baxter's steadfast belief in the power of innovation to shape the future of healthcare has resonated throughout its history, guiding its progress and propelling it to one achievement after another. As the world continues to evolve and medical challenges present themselves, Baxter is poised to meet the obstacles head-on, armed with its rich legacy, solid values, and a relentless commitment to transforming global health. The company's journey from a small Chicago startup to a global healthcare enterprise is a testament to what can be achieved when a clear mission, unwavering dedication, and a pioneering spirit unite. So, what exactly made Baxter International one of the largest 500 companies in the United States? Was it their relentless pursuit of innovation? Their steadfast belief in the power of medical advancements? Their commitment to quality and safety? Or was it, perhaps, the sum of all these and more? The answer, like the drive that propels the company, lies in a harmonious blend of dedication, vision, and the undying quest to improve global health. As this tale of triumph continues, one thing remains certain: there is no destination in the world of healthcare. There is only a continuous journey, a relentless pursuit characterized by an undying spirit of innovation, a deep commitment to quality and safety, and an unwavering dedication to sift through the sands of time and weave a story that resonates not only within the walls of the company but throughout the global healthcare landscape. Given the stellar path that Baxter International has carved for itself, it is no wonder that the company is not resting on its laurels. With a clear vision for the future that is rooted in the past, the company continues to harness the power of innovation and remains steadfast in its mission to transform the healthcare industry and save countless lives worldwide. The enduring legacy and global reach of Baxter International provide a beacon of hope for the future of healthcare across the world. With its rich history of innovation, the company stands poised to drive the next wave of critically important advancements. As it approaches new horizons, Baxter promises to continue earning its place among the world's most influential pioneers in healthcare. Today, the name Baxter is not just synonymous with innovation and life-saving healthcare products. It is also a testament to the transformative power of courage, determination, and ambition. These core values have enabled Baxter to climb resolutely to the summit of its sector, carrying with it the weight of its history and the responsibility that comes with being at the frontier of global healthcare leadership. With innovation in its DNA, Baxter International Incorporated is well prepared for unfolding healthcare realities and challenges. It continues to operate on the frontier of medical innovation, driving healthcare solutions that meet emerging needs and capitalize on new opportunities. As a beacon for an industry grappling with rapid change, Baxter steers a steady course on its mission, making it a name revered worldwide in the healthcare industry. While Baxter International is immensely proud of its journey and accomplishments, it understands that this is just the beginning. It remains energized, propelled by the same spirit of creativity and commitment that brought it this far. And as the company looks to the future, it remains committed to creating a healthier world and continuing its tradition of shaping the future of healthcare. The world has seen the impact of Baxter's commitment to innovation and its dedication to improving patients' lives. These aren't just platitudes, they drive the company's day-to-day operations and motivate every Baxter team member to lean in and take up the challenge of making a tangible, positive difference in the world. As it continues building on its rich legacy and harnessing the power of healthcare advancements, Baxter International remains steadfast in its commitment to creating ever better health solutions and a more resilient and inclusive healthcare system for the future. The company is eager to embrace the opportunities and tackle the challenges ahead, knowing that it can adapt quickly and use innovation to drive meaningful and lasting change within the industry. The values that guided Baxter from its founding are making markets, putting patients first, and creating invaluable products continue to serve as the cornerstones of the organization. Even as the healthcare industry evolves, Baxter draws strength from these guiding stars, using them to set its course as it navigates the ever-changing seas of modern medicine. As Baxter International continues to write the next chapters in its storied journey, its commitment to ushering in a healthier future remains resolute. The company understands that the global healthcare landscape is continuously evolving and is excited to redefine the parameters of what is possible in health and wellness. Relevance, resilience, and revolution, these are the underpinnings of Baxter International's commitment to transforming healthcare. The company continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, confident in its ability to address the world's health challenges and change the way medicine is practiced and delivered. Competitive, compassionate, and consistently forward-looking, Baxter is at the leading edge of healthcare transformation. The organization's relentless pursuit of excellence and its clear focus on delivering value to patients, customers, and the marketplace have solidified its position as a premier global medical products and service provider. Even as new chapters are added to the company's saga, Baxter International is undoubtedly poised to maintain its position as a global giant in the healthcare sector. With a rich history of innovation, a commitment to patient care, and an unshakable dedication to creating a healthier future, the company will undoubtedly continue to save and sustain lives, ensuring its ongoing significance and impact in the decades to come.